how to add a live chat to your website in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add a live chat option to your WordPress website. So let's get started. If you have a website and you are in customer service, you want to improve the customer service of your website, you might be wanting to add a live chat option to your WordPress website. So today I will show you how you can do that very easily by using a plugin which is completely free. So let's start with the process. What you have to do is you will simply open up your dashboard, your website dashboard on WordPress, and then simply scroll down to plugins. In plugins, you will simply click on add new. Today, we will add a plugin, a live chat plugin that will allow us to add a live chat option on our WordPress website. In add plugins, what I wanted to do is simply search for HubSpot live chat. So this is our, plugin HubSpot CRM email marketing and live chat. So I am going with HubSpot because I already have an account on HubSpot and it's really good for live chat. I have already used HubSpot on another website to add live chat and it was pretty amazing. The options are pretty good. There are other plugins as well. You can simply go ahead and search for live chat plugins and you will actually find a bunch of them. So you can actually choose any of these and whatever is actually compatible with your WordPress. I am going with HubSpot and it's pretty good. You can see right here it has more than 200,000 active installation and it is compatible with my version 2 and I have used it. So I will simply click on install now and then we will click on activate. So once your HubSpot is installed, what you have to do is you will simply sign up if you do not have a HubSpot. And if you already have a HubSpot, then you will simply sign in. So I have signed into my account. Now we have our HubSpot right here. This is my HubSpot plugin. So we get other options with HubSpot as well, like reporting and contacts and forms, email and stuff. But we are going to focus on live chat. So simply click on live chat and it will open up your setup for your live chat to add a live chat to your WordPress website. It's super easy and a very professional live chat can be added this way. So the first step is the display. So what you have to do is style your chat. This is what it looks like right now. Like this is going to be the name and this is the got any question, I'm happy to help. So this is the color right now, which is gray. I can change the color to any color I want to. You can simply select a color from here and then you can select from here as well. So I'm gonna go with this color. I think this looks pretty good. This gradient color of pink and stuff, so this looks good. Now once you have chosen the color, the display, this is going to be the display. Simply move on to the next step and click on next. So our next step is the create your first chat flow. So this is where we will do some more settings. Chat heading, specific user and team. So if you want to go for a specific owner and a specific team member, of course, who will be actually doing the chat, you will add their name. You can add a custom name and avatar as well. Let's go with a custom name and avatar. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a name. Let's go with, so we have Alex, and then now I can choose an avatar. In avatar I can insert an image right here. So I'm gonna select this image, which is like a recent image I added to my website. You will simply add an image from your computer. So this is the image now, this is the name. You will simply add any name and your image right here. Then this is the first welcome message. Got any questions? I'm happy to help. So I want to customize this one. So I'm going with hello, how are you? How can I help you? This is the question I wanted to go for, but you can simply go with any question. Of course, you will add I'm happy to help, got any question and stuff like that. Once you have added this welcome message, then we have automatically assign conversation. This is really important. If you want to assign this to any part, any your team member, then you can add this option right here that allows you to assign your conversations to a specific team members. And we have pop open the welcome message as a prompt. So these are the different options that you will add as a setup. Once you are done, then you will simply click on next and move to the next step. So now we have the availability option. Availability means when you will be available for the chat. So it is going to be based on a team member's status. Chat will appear online when at least one member is set to be available. So this is for good for different teams. Like if one member is available, then the chat will be open. You know, a live chat will be open on my website and it will be available. And then we have a custom working hours. Now this is really good because here we can add working hours according to us when the live chat will be available. So you will simply add, for example, from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Of course they've added it, but you can simply select any day, or you can go from Saturday to Sunday. Then we have Tuesday, or if you want to go for just one day. I am going with Monday to Friday. Then you can simply select any time as well, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Or maybe we can actually, add whatever time we want to add. Let's go with from 6:30 a.m. to maybe 11 p.m. because anyone can actually, open up the website anytime. Or you can go with a chat is available 24/7. This is actually pretty amazing that if you want to go for 24/7, then you can go ahead and do that. So we are available we're available from Saturday to Sunday because I want to actually provide a good customer service, the maximum hours that we can provide. So I'm going with 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. from Saturday to Sunday. You can also go with 24/7. Then we can add availability behavior. If you are away, you can add it right here, a message that will be shown so when you are not available. So I'm going to type in, sorry, live chat not available right now. So these are the different settings that you will do in availability. Once you're done, simply click on next. And now our live chat has been set up. You can see right here, this is the preview. This is going to be the desktop preview. This is how your live chat will be shown on your website. Very easy and, very professional looking. Then we have a mobile view as well. Let's check it out. If somebody is using a WordPress on their mobile phone, so this is how they will be able to check it out. This will be our welcome message, and they will be able to live chat on our website. Then simply click on publish and your live chat will be published on your WordPress website.
So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.
So yeah guys, this is how you can simply go ahead and add a live chat on your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.